Hey guys, Zio here. Before I start this video, I want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel for over the years. This is the last emergency alert system catch I'm going to do, so please enjoy while you can.
Test of the emergency alert system for the GNWEAS EAS relay network. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. This test originates from network operations at random times throughout the week. In the event of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test.